Tokyo Track Cove. It's the lockdown meet special. So we're in Aberdeen, somewhere out near the airport today. And we're here for a socially distanced meet, so no hugging and definitely no kissing. But let's see who comes out. I think this is probably like one of the only meets that's been on this year, really. Hopefully some people bring out some good stuff. I'm out in the little Mazda 2 daily, which is beautiful and comfortable, but not exactly JDM. But still, we're parked up here. I'm hoping it's a big turnout, but I'm also hoping there's no police, because we might get a £60 fine. I'm not too sure, because Aberdeen's still technically in lockdown. I guess this is a gathering, but this is what car park's for. So, right, so some familiar faces here. Hi! See, all the car shows is the best way to get the dog's attention. Aye. Yeah. What was he like?
Hi, I'm Madam C. Hi, I'm Madam C. Hi, I'm Madam C. And what's annoying is he'll say it and then Adam will repeat it every single time. Hi, I'm Madam C.
So a bit of an update from the meet. You've maybe seen some lovely footage of the cars, but you're probably seeing the reflection of my sunglasses. This has been shot on my iPhone because my camera has just died. And you'll never see this if the footage is deleted. I just got a really cool picture of a dog. So I'm hoping all that stuff's saved because I'm not reshooting it. And I can't reshoot in arriving, so if this is working, fingers crossed, we are going to go take a look up close at some of the cars that are here. It's mainly Z's. What is it? 3 Z's, 2 Z's, 1 Z? We've got Lewis here. He's got some Z's. We've got a Endless R34 GTR. Gary's car, looks beautiful. We've got a big land yacht, JDM VIP style. Got a nice Scooby with some beautiful carbon parts and an assortment of other stuff. Obviously I'm in the best Mazda here, which is the Mazda 2. Oh yeah, what's that? Oh yeah, there's an NC here. Yeah, that NC, yeah, he's here. Now we'll go take a look at it. It is looking nice and shiny. The sun was out earlier, getting that lovely like kind of orangey red fleck through it, but unfortunately it's kind of got a bit overcast. Let's see what's better. Camera update. Still broken. The iPhone on the gimbal has done me well. Some absolutely beautiful cars out today. I know a lot of people have got theirs away, but the Endless GTR, obviously Gary's car looks fantastic out, and a decent selection considering it's still technically the Aberdeen lockdown or whatever, but we'll see if anybody else turns up, although I doubt it at this time, but we'll maybe get some good footage of some guys leaving. Don't think anybody's going to be a yob and risk getting a £60 fine on top of whatever other fine, but we'll see. At least it'll sound good.
Yep, that's the engine, so you get the boot.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
You need to get strut brakes.
Fucking strut brakes, bulkhead, fucking reinforcing bolts. Every one of these fucking bolts goes all the way around here.
Oh, the whole panel's the
And see if you've got a battery gun. Well, Milwaukee. Tell you're back on the tools I got there.
I've got a Milwaukee.
So, if you've seen this, I got the camera footage off, obviously, and you seen the meet. There wasn't really much going on, but that's kind of the point. It was just to actually see people and see cars and stuff. It's just amazing how much just actually being around car people and just having car chat is something you miss. So it was good in that respect. You know, a few cool cars. Endless GTR, if they stole the show again, because it looks fantastic. There's Lewis blowing away in the background, if you can see that, if it wasn't too blown out. There'll be more stuff coming from Tokyo Track Wolf. The MX-5 is about to be stripped down a bit to treat a bit of rust, and then hopefully give it a big maintenance service and maybe get it on the road for next year. Not turboed or anything, just a solid runner. As always, if you want any stickers or key tags or anything like that, that's all in the link in the description at tokyotrackwolf.com. Let me know if you guys are going to any meets, if there's anything I should check out or anything like that. Just leave it down in the comment section. As always, please like this video and subscribe for more stuff kind of like this.